A lot of people, no, when this happened, nag-usap-usap, they were asking if what happened to you was a case of mistaken identity, or was it something that nakilala ka ng police? Some of them knew of your posts or how vocal you were on social media about this issue. Tapos ginawa ka na lang, tinugma yung name mo sa nasusunog na e-jeepney or yung bus na yon.
Oo, sa tingin ko talaga, mistaken identity. Kasi nung una pa lang kaming pinuntahan ng police sa Mikasa Resort, hindi naman nila ako kilala eh. Hindi nila ako kilala. They were, ang questions nila is, sino kami, no? And humingi ng ID, tapos sinusunod nila information. So I really think, pinuntahan kami, hindi dahil kilala kami. No?
Okay.
We were ordinary citizens in their eyes. No? Kaya sa akin ko kung tatanungin mo, mas malamang na it's a case of mistaken identity or parang false, no? False information, no, about us.